Are you trying to perform your audits faster, efficiently, track your progress with corrective actions with all supporting analytics? Then you are at the right place. In Daily Audit Management tool, you can create your own questionnaires. You can design your questionnaire in a matter of minutes, customize your ratings and define question standards. Performing audits with Daily Audit Management module is easier than ever. You can perform multiple actions during auditing. You can attach your findings, pictures, also using your phone or tablet. You can directly define the tasks, manage them, define responsibles and due dates, add attachments, connect to other performance storyboard modules, and add your links. After performed audits, you will be able to see complete analytics according to code lists your company has set up and data that you have filled in. It's not only about if you perform audits, but more about how you perform them. With our module, you will be able to step up your game.